Oh, you're all right, lads. How you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, really good,
You
thank
okay?
you.
You all right?
Yeah, really good, thank you. Listen, guys, I'm glad I've caught you on your own, right? Because, you know, you guys, you've had, really successful 2013. #1 album.
Oh, great.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could be doing better. It's not a laughing matter.
We hope
Listen,
so, we hope so.
Well, I've been thinking about it, right? I've been thinking about it. I think you should get a third member. Hey? Third member, you know what I'm thinking?
Hang on. You sing like us?
Can I sing like you? Can I sing like you? Can I sing like you?
Oh, can you?
No.
Oh.
I can't. But I can sing, so why don't we do it now? We could just do it right now. Can I sing
great.
Why not?
You could
Why
be the
not?
third brother.
I love it. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
To dream the impossible dream.
All right, lads.
All right, mate.
What's going on? What's going on here then?
Sorry, lads.
Hey?
No worries,
Talk
mate.
amongst yourselves. Talk amongst yourselves. Hi, mate, you right? Yeah, good. Richard and Adam, they're on Britain's Got Talent.
Lovely guys.
Really popular.
Really nice.
popular. Listen, this is my chance to finally get a #1 album. So I'm going to do a little bit of singing with them.
Oh, can I join as well then?
Oh, mate? No, you
Oh,
can't.
okay.
I tell you what you can do, though. Go on. Can you leave?
Leave?
Yeah, I don't want any interruptions.
Not a problem. Hey, mate, you won't even know I'm here.
Brilliant. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Okay, lads, where were we? Singing. Here we go.
Here we go again.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
To dream the impossible dream.
Lads, I'm so sorry. That's so unprofessional. I've left my phone on. I'm really sorry. I'll just take this call. I'll be quick. Hello?
Like I said, mate, you won't even know I'm here.
Mark, I said no interruptions. That includes giving me a phone call.
What? Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry. All right, mate, no problem whatsoever. You carry on what you're doing. You're doing a very good job.
Cheers.
All right, see you later. Bye.
Sorry, lads. Okay, here we go. This time. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
To dream the impossible dream.
Stop! What are you doing now?
What am I doing? I'm vacuuming. What's it look like I'm doing? It's a bit slow. Sorry, it's a bit slow.
Do
Sorry.
you mind not vacuuming right now? Because I'm kind of singing with these lads and it's a bit rude.
Not vacuuming.
Not vacuuming. Can you do something a bit more quiet?
Not a problem. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll make us all a drink. How loud could I possibly be making a drink?
Fantastic idea. In fact,
all right.
it's first you
Great
heard this
idea.
singing, isn't it? Cheers. See you later. Sorry, lads. Right, here we go. Let's do it. This is it. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
To dream.
That's it. Mark, I have had enough of this. You are an absolute... Oh, and another thing. You silly. What have you got to say for yourself?
Sorry, I didn't hear a word you just said. Anyone want a smoothie? Excellent.
That's it, I'm out of here. I am out of here.
No, it's strawberry, Sam. There you go.
Oh,
all right.
Thanks very much.
I do not know what is wrong with him. Don't even come out. Look, brilliant. All right, I'll leave that with you. All right, I'll see you later. Sam!
Cheers, man.